Hey everyone, my name is Amanda and today I'm going to be swatching all of my favorite L'Oreal Paris lip combos so you can see how they look on the lips. Let's get started. These different lip combos are good for various different occasions, whether it be something more neutral for every day or something more bold for special occasions. I'm starting off with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lip liner in the shade Toffee to Be. This is a gorgeous brown lip liner. I'm using this to overline my lip. I'm focusing on defining my Cupid's bow and overlining a little bit in the center of my bottom lip. And then after I extend that to the corners of my lips, I'm gonna actually fill in the corners a little bit. This is gonna sort of contour our lips. It's gonna give us a more pouty look. Once I've done that, these lip liners are so creamy, so I do like to kind of tap them out with my finger to give it a slightly softer look. This looks good even on its own, but we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lipstick in the shade Fairest Nude. And we're just gonna tap that mainly in the centers of our lips. This is the perfect everyday nude shade. I love this one so much. It goes with any makeup look. Super creamy, super wearable, and I just love a nude lip. To top up this lip combo, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade Crystal Clear. This gives the lips such a juicy shine, and you can use this lip oil with any lip combo. This is a clear lip oil, but it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, so it gives you that extra bit of just juiciness to the lips. It reflects the light so beautifully. This is the finished lip combo. This is something I would wear every day. It's so gorgeous. I feel like it would go with pretty much any makeup look as well. For the second lip combo, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lip liner in the shade Forever Rose. This is a really beautiful rosy pink shade. This looks really beautiful paired with berry lipstick, pinks, corals. It's a very soft and flirty shade. For my lipstick, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lipstick in the shade Berry Parisienne. This is a gorgeous wearable berry shade. It's got a nice balance of pink and purple. If you love a berry lip combo, you are gonna love this lipstick. And to top this lip combo off, I'm going with the Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade Milky New. This is one of my favorite shades of their lip oils. It is a milky pink shade. It looks good on top of literally any lip combo. This has a sheer milky finish, which I love. I think it complements this combo so beautifully. This is the finished lip combo. This is my go-to combo when I want to wear a berry lipstick, but I don't want it too bold. This berry lip combo is very wearable, but I do feel it adds that little bit of something extra to a makeup look. To start off my next lip combo, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lip liner in the shade Worth It. This is like the perfect nudie pink lip liner. This is also a Your Lips But Better shade, so I'm overlining my lips with this. I really love how natural this color looks. It makes my lips look more full while also adding definition. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lipstick in the shade Worth It. The shade Worth It from L'Oreal Paris is pretty iconic. It is the perfect nude. This lipstick is perfectly balanced between nudie pink and nudie brown, and it looks good on so many different skin tones. Paired on top of that lip liner, it just looks phenomenal. And of course, we have to go in with the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade Worth It to top this one off. This lip oil is tinted with the iconic Worth It shade, and it goes perfectly with this lip combo, but it also goes with a ton of other lip combos. I also love the gentle tingle that these lip oils give. They instantly plump and smooth the lips. This is what the finished lip combo looks like. I absolutely love this one. Again, this is something you can wear every day. You can wear it with a glam makeup look. You can wear it with more of a natural makeup look. I really love the Worth It shade. I think it is absolutely stunning. Moving on to the next lip combo, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lip liner in the shade Au Naturel. This is one of my favorite shades. This is probably the most natural looking lip liner of the bunch. It is a nice nudie brownie shade. This is perfect for overlining your lips like me. I find I can get a really natural, undetectable effect when I use this liner. As you can see, I've overlined my lips quite a bit, but it still gives me a very natural effect. This liner is great for contouring the lips as well. For lipstick, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lipstick in the shade Mauved. This is a really fun color. This is like a frosty light pink shade. I think this one is so fun. I just love the finish. Honestly, I really love the way this lipstick looks even on its own, but I'm gonna go in with a lip oil using the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade Latte Glace. I'm applying a nice even layer of that. It gives the lip combo a little bit more of a brownie look. If latte makeup was a lip oil, it would be this lip oil. These lip oils are tinted, but they're sheer, so you can see that base lipstick we applied peeking through. And this is what the lip combo looks like all finished. I get so many compliments on this lip combo. Pinky Brownie nude lip combos really have my heart, and I really just love this one. Starting off this next lip combo, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lip liner in the shade Worth It Medium. This is a slightly deeper nude. This is a medium nude lip liner. This is also a great shade for contouring and overlining the lips. Something I really love about these lip liners is that they are no bleed. You can apply any lipstick or gloss on top and it will stay in place. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Worth It Medium. And of course, this lipstick matches the lip liner so well. This is a beautiful medium toned nude lipstick. Super wearable, nice and natural looking. This is one of those lipsticks that really flatters a lot of different skin tones as well. To add a bit of shine, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade Nude Macaron. This lip oil has subtle gold shimmer throughout it. It's a medium nudie brown tinted lip oil. It goes perfectly with this lip combo. I feel like it really just tied this combo together. This is the finished lip combo. This is the perfect medium toned nude lipstick. This combo right here is going to be flattering on a lot of different skin tones, a lot of different makeup looks. This one is, again, super wearable. Good for every day, but also good for more glam looks as well. Moving right along, I'm starting off with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lip liner in the shade Worth It Intense. This is a beautiful chocolate brown lip liner. You get that deep intensity. I personally really love a chocolate brown lip liner. There's just something about it. This would look absolutely stunning on deeper skin tones, or if you're just looking for a beautiful rich brown lip liner. To go with this lip liner, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Worth It Intense. And these two are a match made in heaven. This lipstick goes so well with this lip liner. This is one of my go-to rich brown lipsticks. You get that vibrant, rich pigment in just one swipe. And to top it all off, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade La Nuit Sparkle. This lip oil is tinted a beautiful rich brown and it has shimmer throughout it, so it gives you that juicy, shiny finish. One of my favorite brown lip oils ever. And this is the finished combo. I think a rich dark brown lip combo is so classy and so timeless. This lip combo makes me feel very elegant. Time for some fun. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lip liner in the shade Le Rouge Paris. If you're looking for an easy to use red lip liner, this is it. This red lip liner is so comfortable. These lip liners are infused with omega-3 and vitamin E, so these are actually really hydrating. This lip liner is giving pigment. You really just need one swipe and boom. For lipstick, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Le Rouge Paris. And you can see how pigmented this lipstick is. One swipe gives you all the color payoff you need. This is a vibrant, bold, eye-catching red. This makes me feel like I'm in Paris. To top it all off, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade Cherry Cherie. This lip oil is giving candy apple red. There's something so special about a glossy red lip, and this is one of my favorite red lip oils. This is what that red lip combo looks like. It's bold, it's fun, it's easy to apply. The pigment is very intense. This is a gorgeous, timeless red shade. This red lip combo is gonna look good on anyone. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Color Riche lip liner in the shade Lasting Plum. This is a beautiful plum berry lip liner. This has a very intense color payoff, but it's actually quite wearable. This doesn't just go with berry lipsticks, it looks really beautiful with pinks too. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Blushing Berry, and this is the berry lipstick of my dreams. This is a more purpley true berry shade. This is just one of those lipsticks that looks good on almost every single skin tone. And to top that, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade Berry Jolie. This gives the lips such a juicy berry look. These lip oils give such a cushiony finish to the lips. This is what the finished lip combo looks like. Truly the berry lip combo of my dreams when I want to go for more of a berry moment. There's something just so feminine about a berry lipstick. I love it. For my last lip combo, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lip liner in the shade Truly Burgundy. This is a beautiful deep wine lip liner. Such rich pigment in this one, but it's so creamy and easy to use. It just glides across the lips. Then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche lipstick in the shade Divine Wine. Such a beautiful, deep, winey red shade. This color is so striking, and I love how I only need to use one coat to get the color payoff I'm looking for. For some added shine, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil in the shade Wine O'Clock. This just adds the perfect finishing touch. It's giving me those perfect, juicy, wine-colored lips that I want. And these lip oils really are quite pigmented. And this is the finished lip combo. There's something so sultry about a wine-colored lip, that deep pigment. It's intense, but it's very empowering. I always feel like a boss when I wear this lip combo. It's very much giving timeless elegance. And those are my favorite lip combos from L'Oreal Paris. If you want to learn more about the products or find out where to buy them, you can head on over to l'orealparisusa.com. I'm going to be linking every single lip combo down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!